But wait. No Miss Mary little girl that. Then wait, a pregnant little girl pregnant? No, sir. Not a Sankey can sing, so that the little girl they sing pan church choir. Then I hold that the boy there, a hold in hand. Oh, a tata boy. Then wait, I really pregnant him pregnant. No big belly that in front of him. But what a sing thing pan Papa Jesus wall. That the little girl they sing pan choir, you know. But come to think of it, you know say every night, as soon as service done, you always see Tata boy out of church door mouth, a wait pan him. And then the two of them would have turn up a little dark road with a little buckle touch. Me say them little girl you don't know how to keep themselves circumspect, you know. Oh, but you make me tell you something, Pastor going doing me same thing when he do to me chilling granddaughter. Put him on back bench. Yes, man. Hey. But wait. The two of them are first cousin, you know. Yes, man, the two of them are first cousin. Yes. Because Mary family supposed to call Tata people them some family. Me no remember what, but yes, man, them are some kind of first or whether second or third cousin. But what kind of mix up this year? Lord of mercy. No, man. But you know what? I'm not saying a thing. If them little girl would have know how to keep themselves circumspect, they wouldn't get so entangled in a things. But you know, I am not here to judge nobody. Let God be the judge of everybody. You understand? Lord, them a turn up here, so me no want them see me. Me no want them see me.